Today Friday, tomorrow Roblox day. I like Roblox. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna go to school.
Good
Me
job.
too. Hello guys, today I'm gonna go to school.
Ano pa gusto sabihin na na? See you later. Okay, see you later.